Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at one of Hoyt's carbon bows. This particular bow, if you look on the lower limb here, it says Carbon RX1 Ultra. This particular bow, the Ultra, has a 35-inch axle to axle, which is measured from this axle pin on the lower limb to the axle pin on the top limb. This particular bow has the Z3 cam on it, which if you look on the lower cam here, you'll see where it says ZT3 on the mod. This particular bow will cover 28 inches up to 31-inch draw by moving the mod and this draw stop. That is on the top and bottom cam. Okay, this particular bow has a little different design to it with this barrel. Now this is a 2018 model bow, which they come out with the barrel here, which helps to keep the bottom cam from leaning. So now you can see the bottom cam with their new design sits nice and straight. They also got rid of their flex guard and put in a nice solid roller in the center. And to know where the string and cable links are on this bow, this one actually has a wonderful nice sticker right here on the top limb on the bottom side. And there we can see what the string and cable lengths are. String is 60.13, bus cable is 36.38, and the control cable is 38. Now on this particular bow, it also has this special yoke on the bottom cam. Okay, so you would need to know that length also. On this particular bow, it is 18 inches long. Okay, which that is very, very important when ordering a new set of strings, because this bow has the string, okay, that is your drawstring that we would shoot with. It has the bus cable on the top limb that comes all the way down, hooks onto the barrel, okay? Then the control cable, which hooks on the outside part of the cam here, will come all the way down to the bottom cam, and you can see where the control cable right here comes around the back side of this hub and connects to the little peg. Okay, so there are 4 pieces to this bow: the string, control cable, the bus cable, and this separate yoke piece, which is very crucial again when ordering strings for this particular bow. Thank you for watching.